Hello, welcome back to Seed Saving. Now that you've planted, harvested, and saved your seeds, let's talk about storing them over the winter. Seeds survive best in conditions that plants oppose: cold, dark, and dry. Transfer the seeds into a paper envelope that is labeled with the seed type, variety, year it's grown, and maybe some other notes. Then place the paper envelope in an airtight container, like a plastic food container or a mason jar. Silica gel can be added to storage containers to absorb moisture from the air and further dry out the seeds. Place in the container and then remove a few weeks later. Silica gel can be purchased in bulk from craft stores. Look for it in flower drying sections. Or try reusing packets that you've received in packages, like when you buy shoes or vitamins. These packets are not necessary for success, although make sure the seed is dried well before you store it. Store your container, which is labeled and has your seeds inside of it, inside of a refrigerator. If a refrigerator is not available, then find a cool, dark, dry place for them to stay. A garden shed may work if it's not too hot. Remove the seeds from storage as you need them to plant in the garden. Share at a seed swap or restock your school's seed library. Seeds should last about 2 to 3 years if they are in a cool, dark, dry location. After that, the germination rate, which means how likely will it sprout, will start to decrease. Now, if you have any questions, please contact us at OSU and we can try to help out with any questions about seeds. Have fun with seed saving. Have a great day.